everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps. Thank you for joining me for another demonstration today. We're going to be using our Yupo card. We're going to create a background and then take a print of it. So, got a couple of colours here. Mushroom, that is a beautiful colour. It's one of my favourites alongside eggplant. So I'm going to start with that. And this is our blending solution. So I'm just going to start by moving that around. The more blending solution that you use, the more of a swirl you're going to get. So it's always worth bearing that in mind. Okay, so that's your mushroom, and I don't know whether you can see, but you've almost got greens going on in there. You've got faint blue and also a very pink edge as well. So loads of different tones of colour underneath there. Right, we're going to be using the eggplant now, so bob that down. Blending solution, and then let's just move that about. Quite a strong colour, eggplant, but again it's got loads of other colours within it, and the more we weaken it, the more those colours come out. So we've got lots of blues and pinks as well as the purple all going on there. So now we're going to go with oregano. Okay, and let's finish off with some eggplant again. So just a little at the top, and blending solution. A little bit more blending solution. Okay. I'm just thinking maybe popping a bit more purple down here, but we only want just a tiny little amount. Okay, so that's given us a beautiful smoky background, and now I'm going to take a print of that with the multifarious card and the alcohol lift ink. So we need our brayer close at hand, and I'm going to just pop a line of this along the top. Try and line your brayer up the best that you can and just take that down the page. pop your multifarious on over the top and give that a nice smooth over. And let's see what we've got. It's just fabulous, isn't it? It's just such a great technique. You never quite know what you're going to get, but I love all this sort of distressed edge going on as well. It looks really sort of vintage. Okay, so now this is nice and dry, we can stamp onto this. So I'm going to use our stencil along with one of our fairies. So I've got a couple of colours here, going to keep the same theme with the twilight and warm breeze. We've got monarch and we've got medieval blue. I might not use all of these, but I'm trying to just keep to the same theme of colours. So let's start with our lovely fairy. So this time I'm going to ink up in twilight. Making sure that she is completely covered, and then I'm just going to bob her down in the middle, giving her a good press. Make sure that that ink soaks into the card. And let's see. It's a lovely colour, this. I know I always talk about twilight, but it's not quite black. It's dark enough to be a focal point, but it's almost like a navy blue. So it's one to bear in mind if you don't want to use black. Okay, so I've got the moon here. I'm going to pop that over the top. And which colour shall we use? Maybe we'll use the monarch. Let's give that a go. I only want it to be very faint again, so I'm just working my way around the edge. And this just simply highlights the fairy or your focal point. Of course, you don't have to use the fairy. So just building that colour up now, a little bit stronger, just around the edge, and that makes it really jump out. Okay, let's pop that to the side, and now we're going to go back to the twilight, and this time we're going to pop the stencil over the top, and then just using a brush, I'm just going to just gently, in a swirling motion, just go over the top of the stencil. I only want it to be really quite faint. I don't want the colour to be too strong because I don't want to take it away from all the beautiful background that we've created. So let's have a little look. Yeah, wow. Okay, I'm going to trim that down now. amazing what that stencil just creates, how it creates a lovely background there. Okay, so I think, not sure whether it needs too much more, to be honest. I'm going to go around the edge with Twilight, and let's see. Let's just see when we finish this whether it needs anything more or not. Okay, so not an awful lot more, but it needs something here, I feel. So let's just have a look at some foliage that we might have. Maybe we'll go with this one. Okay. Slightly smaller one. These come in a set, but I'm going to go with the smaller one for this. I don't want anything too bold at this stage to take your eye away from the fairy, so there we go. And I think that is enough now. So let's get one of our glitter pens and let's just fill in the wings. The Sakura pens are great for this because you can draw straight over the top. And you can still see all that lovely detail of the wings. I'm going to go around the edge of the moon. This is great if you don't want glitter or if you don't like glitter, but you want it to just have a little bit of a shimmer. So this is the clear Sakura jelly roll pen. And we do sell a number of different ones online, so okay, I hope you can see her wings, that lovely shimmer. I hope you enjoyed the demo, guys. Thanks for watching. You take care, and we'll see you real soon.